What's up guys, are you in the market for a quality dash cam that won't break the bank? Well, stay tuned because I got the one for you. Alright guys, so as you can see, we got the Boscam R2 box right here. We're going to go ahead and open it up so I can show you exactly what comes in the box. Okay, first off we got the extended warranty card and the user manual. We'll put this to the side. Next we have the unit itself. Now this dash cam will be clipped onto your existing rear view mirror, but as you can see, it's not really bulky like the majority of them out there. It's very slim, which is something that I like. In the back side you can see the camera. It's adjustable. This is going to be your power cable. This I believe is going to be the harness for the rear view camera. The red wire will be connected to your reverse trigger, so that way you can have the reverse camera guidelines pop up when you go ahead and put the car in reverse. Next we have a GPS antenna, and we have the actual rear camera right here. It also comes with these bands right here. I believe there's a couple different sizes to choose from, as well as an extra bracket for your camera. Now they both have this double-sided sticky tape on the bracket itself right there, so there's multiple ways to mount them. So let's go ahead and take this to the car and show you exactly how easy it is to install.
In the car right now, I just got everything installed. The power source is going to be temporarily installed because I do have a hardline kit coming in, so I can wire this up for the parking function. But let me just show you guys what it looks like really quickly. So as you can see, it doesn't look too bad. You can actually use this as a mirror because the finish on it is pretty much just like a mirror. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the car on. I don't know if you guys heard that, but it's about to start up. And yeah, that's the rear view mirror right there, or the rear view. As you can see, as soon as you start up the car, it starts to record. It has the time and the date up in the right hand corner. If you tap on it, you can stop the recording. This is gonna be your view, so you can have the rear view mirror, rear view, as well as the front view. Let's go straight to the front view. There's Christine again, working on her car, working on her wheel tubs. If you come over here, this is gonna be your playback, so you can view any of the footage. In the settings, you can choose how long each clip will be. It'll chop everything up into clips. So right now I have it set to about 3 minutes. Yeah, that's the rear view mirror right there, or the rear view. As you can see, as soon as you start up the car, it starts to record. It has the time and the date up in the right hand corner. So as you guys can see, it also records audio. I believe you can turn that off in the function screen right here. So if you tap the microphone, you can turn the microphone off or on. I'm gonna leave it on for now. Here is your stop record button. This is gonna be your snapshot. As you can see, it took a picture. This is gonna be the lock to lock your clips when you're, let's just say you're driving, and then you get into an accident, or you see something that you would like to not get overwritten on the memory card. As you see, it's recording. You just hit lock, and it'll lock the current file, so that way this file won't be overwritten when recording. And then you stop the recording to come over here to the settings. And this is just some basic settings that you can go on and play with. You got resolutions, movie clip time, sound recording, reverse line switch. I currently have off because this car actually already has a reverse camera set up on the OEM screen over here. We have parking monitor, which is on high, so it pretty much just senses if there's like a tap on the car and stuff, and it'll automatically start recording. I believe it's a 30-second clip of the front and the rear cameras while the car is off. But in order for that function to work, you need a hardline kit, hardline power kit, and not just on the USB or 12-volt accessory plug like this. So you're gonna have to wire it up hardline, which is what I'll be doing, and this wire will be temporarily here running to that plug down there, that socket. So yeah, if you go to the general settings, you can see you have the beep for when you touch the screen. Volume, I have it on high. Language, English. LCD power saver, I have it off, but you can have it on or off. It'll just dull the screen or turn it off when you're not using it. Protect level, I have it off. Speed unit, miles per hour, and a GPS time sync. So this thing also has the GPS antenna, as you guys seen. One thing I love about this is it's super simple. There's literally 3 plugs: your power source, your rear view camera, and your GPS. So that's how simple it is to install. The hardest part would be just figuring out where you want to run this actual cables. And then as well as there's a mini SD card slot right in the center over here. Right now I have a 32 gigabyte SD card, I believe, installed there. And there should be more than enough. I'm mainly going to use this just for when I drive to and from work.
Okay guys, so here's a couple clips that I grabbed off the camera just of me going to and from work. As you can see, it does really well in the daytime as well as nighttime, capturing a lot of detail, and the image is very clear. So I want to give a big shout out to Boscam for sending out the unit. I was actually in the market for a dash cam, but I wasn't sure which one I should get. And I was actually blown away about how simple and easy it was to install this R2 model from them. As well as the quality in the nighttime, the daytime, like everything is so clear and easy to use. Alright guys, so thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want to go ahead and pick one up, just hit the link in the description. I will also put a discount code right here, so you guys can go ahead and get you 10% off and save you a little bit of money. Alright you guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys. Give this video a big thumbs up if you guys could, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Alright, peace out and stay good.